Hey everybody, it's me, Bug Out. It's a Saturday morning, and we've had sustained 25 mile per hour winds coming out the north. This is proceeding and pushing that storm that's going eastward that y'all are getting ready for there in the south and on the east coast. Our gusts are up to 50 miles an hour, so to give you an indicator of what the wind is going to be like coming with this storm, we haven't received any precipitation in the form of rain, sleet, or snow so as of yet here in Lubbock. But I just wanted to let y'all know that these winds are going to be really rough coming in with this storm, so prepare for that. Keep that in mind. And y'all stay safe and stay blessed. Talk to you later.